Meaning of internee.
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 Internee. Internee refers to a person who is confined or detained in a specific location, typically a prison or a military camp, during times of war or political unrest. It is often used to describe individuals who are considered to be enemy aliens and are thus held in confinement for security reasons. In general, an internee is someone who is detained against their will, either by a government or an organization. The term can also be used to refer to someone who is undergoing a period of training or apprenticeship in a particular profession or industry.